Stop and listen to this for a minute. It's not the movement of the clock that produces newness of life. Listen to me. It's the movement of your mind. Okay. Now, me and my wife's, belief system, we read the good book, and it talks about a renewed spirit, right? A renewed, we've been reborn, right? And that's newness of life for us first and foremost. But for the general population, it's a renewing of your mind. Okay, it's the turning the movement of your mind. Time itself is not going to change your life. You yourself will have to change for something to change. And so just know that, if you're waiting around for next month or next year, or once you get out of school, or once you get married, or once you get out of the season of having young kids, like, that's in itself not going to change your life. It is going to be the movement of your mind and how you perceive and look at things. Think about that.